Good morning everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys coupons to print on coupons.com, and then there's also some coupons to print on Smart Source. Now I go to swagbucks.com. I have a referral link below if you guys want to join. You get points if you join. But what I do is I print off my coupons because I end up getting points for every coupon that I print. And so why not get paid for printing coupons? So I'm here to share with you guys what we got. Now there are some new coupons. There is $1 off of one paste chunky salsa, so I'm just gonna clip that because there might be a good deal with that. Don't know, but we'll see. Here we got, I don't see anything. The Renews It is still back again. I don't know if there's any good coupons. I'm hoping there's some good coupons for you guys. I haven't even looked. I just turned my thing on and voila. So here's $1.50 off a Suave Professional shampoo and conditioner. I'm definitely printing that off. We also have $1.50 off of like the styling products. Here we got $2 off the Ducalax, $1 off the One Axe mouthwash, $5 off the Icy Hot Smart Relief. Sorry, my camera's not like right on you guys. Here we have that $4 off Chic razor coupon, $3 off of Zantac. Here's a great coupon, buy 3 get 1 free of the Musketeers. So there could be some good deals. It looks like this Clairol, $6 off a 2 reset, so I'm definitely printing those off. We got 50 cents off of Sure, which I'm printing off anyways because I printed those off a while back ago and they're still good. Here we got $2 off of Cetaphil, 50 cents off of Brute. This is my favorite coupon, $1 off of Keebler. Oh yeah. Here we got $3 off Excedrin, $2 off of CoverGirl, $3 off of CoverGirl. More CoverGirl, $3 off. Here we got $1 off of Segdrin. Pull-ups, Huggies. Man, another coupon for $4 off plus Olay. I don't really need that, so I'm not going to even waste my coupon, you guys. Here we got $1 off Gold Bonds. I haven't seen a Ziploc, so I guess I was right. It is a fall thing, so definitely print those off because there's going to be deals probably in the future. $3 off Bic razors. Here is another Ziploc coupon. There is a lot of coupons. Here we got Survey Itch Relief, which I'm not going to really print that off unless I really need to. I don't think that one's going to go away as fast. $1 off 2 Shout products. La 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 la. And that seems to be about it for the coupons.com app. Yeah. Let's just see what else there is. And we got the $1 off the Tabasco, which I'm printing off anyways because Graham really likes that. Here we got the $2 Dove and Degree. If you guys need the Puffs tissues. $1.50 off the Mist. And then there's those CoverGirl coupons and Playtex. And there's just so many coupons. I'm hoping some of these reset very soon. And then you guys could also go to smartsource.com. There's those $1 off, 75 cents off of pens. Here we got the Wet n Wild, $1 off of that. We also got the $1 off nail care, but then there's this Siesta product. I've seen these. I can't remember where I've seen these, but I'm printing those off. And then here we got the Rubbermaid coupons, which I think come out in today's inserts. But otherwise, yeah, there's a beverage product. That's a great coupon to print. We got $1 off Oxy. There hasn't been good coupons on smartsource.com for a while, so that seems to be about it for coupons to print. So I hope you guys enjoy your day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.